Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your material issue. So let's get started. So every time when we model something and we face this kind of issue that some part of our 3D model turns into green, and we don't know how we can fix this kind of problem, and this problem is very annoying, trust me. This is a very hectic issue and we cannot find any kind of solution. So how you can fix this problem, I'll show you. It just happened because of the material. When the Maya doesn't able to find the actual material of the object, then Maya shows that object into a green color. So the green color means that there is no material assigned on this object. Like if I click here and just go to the attribute editor, then we will see that there is a material. It's called Lambert. So Lambert 1 is assigned into this object, but if you click here, then you will see there is no Lambert. This is say that this is called Lambert 2 SG, but there is no material like this one, Lambert 1. It's a material, but here we can find there is no material here. So we can simply fix this issue just applying a material on it. Like click here, right click, hold and assign new material, or you can just apply assign favorite material, and I just select Lambert. So you can see our issue has been fixed. Okay, so we can just simply click and drag everything else and select all objects here and just right click, hold and just Lambert. So now you can see we fix this problem here. Okay, so there is some part here and just assign favorite material, just Lambert, and we can fix this issue. So I hope you like today's video. This is a very quick video, and if you find this video useful, then please give us a thumbs up, and you have any kind of doubts, so you can ask me in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe our channel. Okay, goodbye.